Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Honda CR-V? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box is located near the battery under the hood. It contains fuses and relays for high-power components like the ECU, cooling fan, and ABS. This panel helps protect and manage key engine and electrical systems. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box manages and protects the electrical circuits for various in-cabin features such as power windows, door locks, dashboard lights, climate control, and the infotainment system. It contains fuses that automatically break the circuit if there's an overload or short, preventing damage to components and enhancing safety. Interior fuse box. The interior sub-fuse box protects and distributes power to various in-cabin electrical components like lights, infotainment, and climate controls. Type of fuses.
Blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement, Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.